Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create your own CC in After Effects. On YouTube, almost every person gives CC presets instead of telling how to create your own CC. But the real editors do not copy things. They learn the logic and then edit their videos. So now let's start the tutorial. Now we are on the project file. This is after applying our CC, and when I hide the adjustment layer, the real video looks like this. Now you can see the result. Now let's start from the beginning. We take a new adjustment layer for applying effects. The first effect that we need to apply is BCC Unsharp Mask. This is a very important effect for color correction. Increase the value of radius from 1 to 15 and decrease the amount from 50 to 25. When we increase the radius, you can see the result, and when we increase the amount, the video looks sharper. But these are the best values. Otherwise, you can adjust as you need, because you should not always copy others. First copy and learn, then create by yourself. Our second effect is Sharpen. Decrease sharpen amplitude from 1 to 0.6. Increase edge threshold to 0.4. If you increase sharpen amplitude, the video looks sharper, so the best value is 0.6 as I need. Finally, increase sharpen chroma value from 1 to 2. You can see the result before sharpen and after the sharpen. The third effect is brightness and contrast. If you increase the brightness value, the video becomes brighter, but I set the value to 5. If you increase the contrast value, the video becomes dimmer, but the best value of contrast is 5. If we hide this effect, there is only a minor difference in the video, so this is not very useful. After that, the next effect is contrast up. You can see my settings for this effect. Now you can see the result of this effect. Next effect is curves. You can see the result of this effect on the video. Now our last effect is magic bullet looks. This is a very important effect for video color correction. If you are creating CC, then this effect plays a very big role. So you must have this effect. After applying this effect, click on Edit, then a new window appears. You can also create your own looks by using these tools. But there are also built-in presets that are really amazing. After creating your own looks, you can also add them to the custom looks. For now, I choose LOL from enhancement presets because this is better for me. Otherwise, you can also create your own looks. There are many tutorials on YouTube that give knowledge about looks. If you don't find any tutorial, then comment to me and I will create a video on looks tutorial. After applying that, click on the bottom right tick. So now our CC is ready. You can see the result before and after the CC. In this way, I told you CC is important for editing. So subscribe to the channel and drop comments for more editing tutorials.